Captain Raghu will be launching the book officially in this virtual event, which would then be followed by a discussion between Captain and Rajesh. I would now like to call upon Captain Raghu Raman onto the screen, please.
Thanks a ton, Nagu. That was a great introduction. Thank you very much for that. And of course, everyone, welcome to this event. It's personally for me, it's actually quite an interesting sort of journey to be here during this book launch, because I have known Rajesh for more than 20 years now. And actually, not very many people know how we met. And there is a nice story of how we met, and there is an important lesson in that story also. So this was, I think, in the year 1999 or 2000, when I was heading a company which was looking at information security. I was working with the Mahindra Group at that point of time, and my responsibility was to secure, amongst other things, the communications of all the leaders of Mahindra, including Mr. Anand Mahindra. So what had happened was that, as you might be aware, that time, most of the people who would be flying, they would be stopping at terminals, and they would be checking their mail in the terminals. And most terminals, in airports, the terminals that are kept, they are all key logged, and they're not very safe. So in a bid to convince Mr. Anand Mahindra that he needed to shift to a better instrument, there was this Nokia, I don't remember the name of the serial number of the Nokia communicator, which was like a, almost like a geometry box. It's this big. But that was the latest thing at that point of time. And the vendor came to us, and we had a look at it, and we said, okay, this is what we are going to recommend to our top management. And the deal was done. Everything was done. But then what happened was Mr. Anand Mahindra said that I have been used to the earlier phone. Now I'll have to. He was using some phone which had that, writing. I think it was Sony Ericsson or something like that. And he said, I want to. So the vendor told me that there is a gentleman who I know who is really abreast with technology, and that person, why don't we bring him? And I thought that will be much easier to sort of explain to Mr. Mahindra, and that's when I meet Rajesh for the first time. And I think even 20 years ago, and of course we both went and met Mr. Anand Mahindra. It was a very interesting meeting. Another story I'll tell you at another time. But even 20 years ago, Rajesh was ahead in terms of technology adoption than even the MD of Mahindra & Mahindra. He knew the innards of the technology so well that even the vendor who was selling the instrument was more confident of asking Rajesh to be the one who will demonstrate. And Rajesh did take out the time to come and meet. And honestly, I mean, at that point of time, we were both younger, much younger, and at least I think to a certain extent, Rajesh also was in a certain degree of awe of Mr. Anand Mahindra. But the comfort with which he spoke to him, the confidence with which he spoke to him, even at that point of time, sort of showed the indications that this is a different person. This is not a normal person. This is a person whose journey is not going to be normal. It's going to be different. And in many ways, over the last 20 years, I have very closely observed Rajesh. We have been very good friends, and I have seen his journey from very, very tough circumstances, not circumstances that are easy to get out of. And yet from there, the journey that he's made from where he was to where he is today, and inshallah, he'll be many, many more exponential moves ahead. But that journey, to my mind, is an inspirational story in itself, because and I'll, of course, during the conversation I'll have with Rajesh, I'll ask him to briefly explain that journey as well, because I think he will be able to explain it much better than I will. And obviously, many of you might know that he's also done several talks, but there is one talk in which he's described his journey very well. I think it's important for a lot of us to hear that, and especially for the next generation, because these are times during which there is a lot of uncertainty. There is a lot of lack of resources. The value of money that people had, value of savings that they had, may not be the same right now as it used to be a few months ago. So to hear the journey of a person who had nothing and who had a lot of adversity, and not very many people, maybe 0.00001% of people who are in those circumstances are able to come out of it. If we can learn that mantra, I think a lot of people, including the next generation, will benefit from that, and hopefully their journey will be easier and be given more direction by listening to a person who has done that journey before them. So with that, I think Rajesh, we should, and I'm really glad that you have chosen to, as I mentioned in my tweet also, that it's quite remarkable for people to cover the journey that you have covered, but it's even more remarkable for those people to share that mantras or to share the secrets with others, which very clearly shows that it's not just about your experience that you have, sort of gained for yourself, but also a need in you to share that with others. And a desire in you to share that with others, and that I think is exceptional. A lot of people have secrets, business mantras, business secrets, but the reason why they're called secrets is because they don't share it with anyone. So I'm really happy that you decided to write this book, and I look forward to launching it with you right now. And after that, we'll get into a conversation about the book, about many other things in life, and maybe a few questions that I have about you and the book and many other things. So. In an ideal world, this would be the time that we would all stand up in the stage. We would take out the book. We would, unwrap it simultaneously. There would be photos that would be taken, and the book would be officially launched. But like everything else, the new world, we have to make changes. So right now, what would have happened in sequence in the physical world is we would have displayed the book and then said that this book is available in all leading bookstores. And right back in the counter, there are these books which are signed by the author and which are kept there. What we need to do right now is for me to tell you that the book is already there on Amazon, and we will have I think Rajesh will put out the link in various different ways through the Facebook chats or whatever. And if you click on that link, it will take you straight to the book.